Hey, what's up guys? It's Brian G from Flake Garage. We're going to be doing a 2021 recap video of all the mods that I've done on my truck last year. So let's get to it. Hey, we did a review on the headlights and they're still working fine. I still enjoy them and they're very bright still. And I redid the valance. I did some slight cutting on the side just because it was sticking out about 2 inches back and it was rubbing against my tire. So now it's been cut down. I've even sanded the edges down as well so you don't accidentally cut yourself with the sharp edges. And I've started to wrap the truck myself and we're gonna go with black. I've only done one fender so far just because it's time consuming. And you might see the side view mirrors as well. One's a green color and the other one's a Lambo gray. Moving on forward towards the back, I've done the roll pan, third brake light as well with help from Brian. Alright, thanks to the guys at the coating place, they powder coated my roll pan as well. That way it doesn't mess up because it was bare metal. And that's it for the back part. We did fix the tailgate handle as well, so we can open it now and close it. Oh. That's it for the outside modifications. Okay, so for the interior, we replaced the bench seat for bucket seats from a 94, 95 Pathfinder. And I really like them. We did wash them a couple times with some equipment from Home Depot. And that's the only modification I've done from the inside, and the horn as well. Cool. And for engine modifications, I haven't done much except for the engine-based stuff. I did add some NGK spark plug wires and the oil cap as well. That I got that as a gift from Brian. And so the cons so far, the truck does not want to start. It does crank. That's why I haven't been able to drive it for like the past month and a half. I haven't had the motivation to even work on it because of that. I have replaced the spark plugs, all 4 of them. I did replace the injectors, all 4 of them brand new. I replaced the distributor cap in the rotor and it still does not want to start. It does crank and it feels like it does want to start. So the problem is not with fuel, maybe compression or spark somewhere. So if anybody out there is watching this, if y'all have any tips or advice or what it could be, just let us know in the comment section and we'll get back to you on that. But that is my 2021 recap on my Nissan Hardbody. And hopefully y'all guys get to see the fully finished wrapped truck in a couple months from now. Thanks. We'll just say we did a review on the headlights, right? We did the valance. We'll show them where I even cut the valance on the sides. And We can kind of show them a little bit of the wrap, I guess.